Welcome back to my third post today. On this post, I'm going to be talking to you about Matic Network, Matic USD. Today is November 26th, Thanksgiving Day, and happy Thanksgiving to all of you guys who are watching me from the US. Hope you guys are taking some time to relax and being off the charts. On this post, I'll be talking to you about Matic's bullish and bearish case scenario, as well as the short-term price prediction according to what I'm seeing on the charts. Before we begin today, if you guys are watching me on TradingView, do follow me. If you guys are watching me on YouTube, do subscribe, as I'll be keeping you updated on the latest crypto setups on my watch list, regardless if it's a good day or a bad day. If you guys do want to support me and don't already have a Webull brokerage account, you guys can use my referral link down below. They're still giving away 4 free stocks now instead of 3 upon a successful sign up and a qualifying deposit, and it will also receive a referral bonus if you guys sign up under me. Please do also read my full disclaimer below. I am not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. I am purely sharing my own speculations and opinions on this market. I cannot tell you the future, and you should always do your own due diligence before trading or investing in this market, as it is extremely risky and volatile. If you guys have any questions or comments, please do only leave them in the comment section below. I will get to them a lot faster that way, but let me know what you guys are trading, following. I can see if I can share my analysis and opinions on those symbols. Now let's take a look what exactly is going on in Matic USD. I'm going to skip the overall crypto market talks because I have just made a few posts today, and if you guys want to watch what I said about my recap on the overall crypto markets and how that could affect altcoins, you guys can check out my earlier post today on Yearn Finance. But without doing that today, on this post, I'm going to be talking about Matic and diving right in. So first things first, when I don't know anything about a chart or a crypto, I would like to first know where are we standing? Are we in an uptrend, downtrend, or in reversal? So how I actually do that is by seeing where the price action is and where it stands against its moving averages. So let's zoom all the way out to the monthly time frame. We don't have the most recent moving average that I use, which is the 21 simple. So I can't really use it to measure against the price action right now, but it does look like we had 2 months of sell-off as with a lot of the other altcoins. And on this month of November, we have about 4 days left. We are making quite a bit of a bounce with decent volume, even though I would like to see an engulfing candle close for November, but we're going to see if that comes true or not, because that would make a more convincing case that we are in reversal. But let's go down to the next smaller time frame, which is the weekly. On the weekly time frame, I do see that within the last 3 weeks, not counting this candle right here, we did have some good reversal, even back up to the 0.236 fib level, and we are staying above there. That is a good sign so far, because that means we are retracing and reversing, and the further along these fib levels, the better. So currently on the price action though, I do see that the price action is below both the 21 simple and the 50 simple, but the 21 simple is still above the 50 simple. So in order for me to have my opinion and say that on the weekly time frame, the price action is on an uptrend, for the price action to actually get above the 21 simple, and that is it, because the 21 simple is already above the 50 simple. So all we need to see for me to change my opinion for the weekly time frame to be on a bullish trend is for the price action to get back above the 21 simple moving average. Then I would know that the price action is ready to make higher highs since it has locally bottomed on the weekly time frame. On the 3-day time frame, I can see that the 21 has been under the 50 for a while. Whenever we see the more recent moving average under the less recent moving averages, that is when I would know we are on a downtrend. However, it seems that we have flattened out quite a bit here, and we're going to see if the 21 simple, which the blue line, is able to cross back over on the white line right here, which is the 50. But right now on the 3-day time frame, it still looks like we are on a downtrend, or at least trying to reverse. On the daily time frame, I can actually see that the 21 has been under the 50 and has been under the 200 for some time. which makes sense because of September and October. And right now, the good news is I do see that the 21 blue line right here has crossed over the 50, so that is a good reversal sign so far. Okay, if this continues, then I would be more convinced. Now, let's take a look into the current situation with the price action. What pattern has formed? On the weekly time frame, I think it's most apparent that we actually see a falling wedge pattern. 68% chance of breaking upwards, which it already had broken upwards. The measured target of that breakout would be about almost 3 cents. Okay, so basically coming all the way back up on top of these Fibonacci retracement levels. Okay, currently there is, well, each of these fib levels are going to be major resistances. Okay, so we have broken out about the second week of November, and we have gone rejected at the weekly 21 simple moving average, but it was very exaggerated movements. In 1 week, we had moved from 1.5 cents to all the way to about 2.4 cents. Okay, so this is the breakout target. We're going to see if that is able to be met. But the next major levels of resistance, there's actually quite a bit here, would be a lot of these moving averages would be the 200 daily, the 3-day 50. Obviously, the well, now both of the weekly simple moving averages, 21 and 50. So quite a bit of moving averages that are acting as overhead resistance currently, along with these fib levels. So it could either be a very slow way up, or it could have another one of these exaggerated candles and just burst up. I don't know too much about Matic, or nor do I really trade it. So I'm just gonna have to wait and see which scenario would it be. Would it be a fast way up, or would it be a slow way up? And have the price action just run within each of these fib level intervals before reaching all the way to the measured target. So that is something to be keeping in mind of. And that is the bullish case scenario for the measured target to actually continue up the fib levels towards the measured target. Now, let's explore the bearish case scenario. The bearish case scenario, let's see what is currently the main support of the price action right now. So the ultimate support I'm actually looking at would be the 0.236 fib level right here. Currently about in the zone of about 1.6 cents. Okay, but the other moving average that I'm actually looking at, which is also a key support, because since this downtrend right here, we had not even been able to close above the daily 50 simple moving average, which is pretty much in line with the 0.236 fib level. So I could say that if price action actually breaks below this 0.236 fib level and the daily 50 simple moving average, that is bad sign for the bulls. I don't want to see support being broken as a short-term trader. So that is something to be looking out for, the daily 50 simple moving average and the 0.236 fib level, currently at about 1.6 cents. If that is broken, past support becomes resistance, and that would not look good. So this concludes my very short analysis of Matic USD. I hope you guys have found it helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you guys did. Let me know your agreements, disagreements, feedback. I'd love to hear them. I hope you guys manage your risk carefully. And if you guys would like to check out any more of my most recently uploaded videos on YouTube, you guys can check them out up here on YouTube. I'll see you next time.